Today, I'm sharing with another kind of automatic packing machine. That is our weighing packing machine. Use the single weight of each product to achieve counting. So it's a good choice for hardware fasteners. Let's see how it works.
The product will be sent automatically by this feeding machine. Then it will come to the double belts. The larger belt for sending product weighting quickly, and the small belt make accurate compensation. The precise weighting module can complete the quantitative counting or weighing automatically. The PE packaging machine can automatically make bags, unloads, sealing, and printing after reaching the preset weight. PE bag-wise, we can do from 150 to 350 micrometer. The maximum weight of each bag is 8 kilograms.
The product can be kept in this machine, and with one key to switch items quickly, this machine can stock thousands of products. The weighing accuracy we can do at 0.2 grams, so even for the small granule, it's workable under this machine.